Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, this is a channel for healing energy healing, bringing through from spirit guidance and aligning with conscious intention. And today's conscious intention is to bring through healing energy for inflammation. So a lot of doctors agree that most diseases start with inflammation. So also if you're experiencing any kind of autoimmune disease, or if you're experiencing Lyme's or lupus or chronic fatigue, if there's any stiffness or arthritis or rheumatoid in your joints, anything where the hinges are feeling kind of crunchy or rusty in your fluidity is a little stagnant. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes, and I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. You can have eyes open or eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So the first thing I'm seeing is an energy like the white snow or static on a TV screen, where it's just pure static. So there's an interference in your energy field, so we're clearing that out of your field. Noise, information, static, distraction. This is any glitches. If you feel like there's discord in your thinking. So this is static and glitches in the mental realm, in the mindset. It's like being in a blizzard where you can't see the way forward, except that this is not snow, it's energy. Just clearing all of that out of your energy field. Clouds parting to reveal a beautiful blue sky. And now, if there's a particular aspect of your body, your physical body, that is needing help, that is feeling inflammation, whether it's a joint or a ligament or an injury, or whether it's an entire system, we are bringing in this beautiful cobalt blue, cooling energy that's going to reduce the heat. Cool everything down. The image I see is like when water from a tap hits a hot frying pan. You know, like all this disbursement of heat turning into steam. Now allowing that steam to evaporate and dissipate and dissolve out of your energy field. Just going to hold that for a minute because there's a pause and a silence in the instruction. Just going to pause this cooling blue energy coming through. Take a nice deep breath. Draw this energy into the part of your body that needs help. Now addressing the aspect of self that is the inner child. So if you felt attacked, abandoned, rejected, neglected, violated, traumatized in any way, just allowing this energy to be drawn out of the body, drawn out of the energy field, reabsorbed back into the source of all creation, recycled, dissipated, dissolved, resolved. Take a deep breath and give that little child self some love here. Just feeling that unconditional love from the source of all creation. Filling the cup, filling the void, filling the need, filling the yearning. Feeling supported, feeling encouragement. If there's any mind tangles or negative thoughts that are hooking in, that are telling you you're not good enough, that you can't do it, you're not worthy, agitating, creating friction, just drawing those out now. And feeling a central line through the crown of the head, dropping in from the source, through the crown, through all the chakras, through the heart, and all the way down the spine and into the earth below you, just anchoring you into the vertical line in this channel, this beautiful channel of energy from the divine. And I'm hearing a vibration to align you, bring you into alignment, bring your frequency into alignment with the source of all creation, so that anything that no longer serves you, any old outdated stories, any old beliefs, any old habits, just naturally off gas and dissipate, dissolve. Take another nice deep breath. Bringing in some light language now. E makotono no kitine biri kun narapakutane titi para makotono tuturu tutu. Ene makotono tuturu makatine na matatano. Ene makotono no tuturu no tuturu manikine ni ritini na tara kotono no manetekana na tatarana kotono. Aramakutono tutin primina katuturu, anamakatitina nena manokutututu, inamakatana netitire makututu, namanakiti. Inamakotono nititekana makutono namakitinina kotono nintiti kona kono kamanakiti manamakuto. Namakotono nitemini katano makutono no kanitina namakono kanakatini namakotono kono kana makotono kanintini. Ona makotono no koni kana mane kono mane kene na mano kono mane kini kana kono kini kana kono kana ona mane kana mana makono kono tunu turu kuru kene mana kono tene mane ni tri no ne mana kana tina na mana o kani tina o kana mana mane te mane no o kana mana mokotono mane kene ni tini tar kono tunu Makutini na tata, ukarende mana kutuna ne tikine mana tani tini na kuno da tita, urkini tina mano kuturo wi, mana kani tina makano ketini ne, ointini kana mana untini kana mano kutini na mano kuti, akani tini na kutini ne mano kuno tu pakutono tu den tu pa Take another nice deep breath. And let out a sigh. Feel your frequency coming into alignment. Feel the inflammation off-gassing, dissipating, dissolving out of your energy field. Bringing your endocrine system into a state of balance, bringing your lymph system into a state of flow. The pulse in your body, regular, strong, vital. Thank you, my loves. Bless.